Click on the link below to get price. The Westinghouse 4000 peak watt super quiet dual fuel portable inverter generator is an impressive piece of machinery designed for those who value both performance and convenience in their power solutions. Whether you need reliable backup power during an outage, a companion for your camping trips, or an efficient energy source for outdoor events, this generator delivers on multiple fronts, and here's an in-depth exploration of its features and performance. One of the standout features of this generator is its dual fuel capability. It can operate on either gasoline or propane, which greatly enhances its versatility. This dual fuel option not only allows users to choose their preferred fuel type but also offers flexibility in fuel availability. For instance, if you're out camping and run out of gas, a propane tank can be a more readily available option. Additionally, propane tends to have a longer shelf life than gasoline, making it a more stable choice for long-term storage. This dual fuel capability makes the Westinghouse generator particularly appealing for users who may face diverse power needs. In terms of performance, the Westinghouse 4000 generator boasts an impressive output of 4000 peak watts and 3500 running watts. This level of power is sufficient for running essential appliances such as refrigerators, microwaves, and even small air conditioning units, which is vital during unexpected power outages or outdoor events. Despite its capabilities, it operates quietly, with a noise level measured at only 52 dBA. This is particularly important for nighttime use or in settings where noise is a concern, like campsites or quiet neighborhoods. Portability is another hallmark of this generator. Weighing in at about 110 pounds, it comes equipped with a set of wheels and a comfortable handle, making it easy to transport. Whether you need to move it from your garage to your backyard or load it into your vehicle for a camping trip, Westinghouse has taken the hassle out of transportation. The generator's compact design allows it to fit easily in tight spaces, and the built-in wheels ensure smooth maneuverability over various terrains. The generator also features an easy-to-read control panel, which includes multiple outlets for versatile power distribution. It has two 120V outlets, a 120V RV outlet, and a 5V USB port, allowing users to connect a range of devices from home appliances to electronic gadgets. The inclusion of a built-in USB port is a thoughtful touch, catering to the modern user who relies on smartphones and tablets for day-to-day tasks. Safety is paramount when it comes to generators, and Westinghouse has incorporated several features to ensure user protection. The unit is equipped with a low oil shutdown feature that automatically turns off the generator when the oil level is too low, preventing engine damage. There's also a CO sensor that detects hazardous carbon monoxide levels and shuts down the generator if necessary. These safety features provide peace of mind, especially for those who may be new to operating generators. Operating the generator is straightforward, thanks to its user-friendly design. The generator uses a recoil start, which is familiar to many users, and it also includes an electric start option, an especially valuable feature for those who may have difficulty with manual starting. The generator's manual is well written, providing clear instructions for setup and maintenance, which is a huge plus for first-time users. While the Westinghouse 4000 peak watt super quiet dual fuel portable inverter generator is packed with advantages, it's important to note a few considerations. Some users may find the weight a bit cumbersome, especially if frequent portability is required. While the wheels assist in moving the unit, lifting it into a truck or moving it over uneven ground can be challenging for some. Furthermore, while the generator is designed for quiet operation, there will be some noise, especially when operating at peak load, so it may not be completely silent. In summary, the Westinghouse 4000 peak watt super quiet dual fuel portable inverter generator is a robust, versatile, and user-friendly power solution. With its dual fuel capability, impressive power output, and quiet operation, it